Good evening, friends. Welcome to another video of Market Profile Engineer. So, as always, I tell this is just an education video wherein I am recording my emotions and mindset while trading. So, this was a long-term activity record which I made yesterday. So, it was showing that sellers were dominant. Their volume was also very high, and value area placement was overlapping towards lower side. So, this indicates that trend is moderately weak. So day before yesterday, it was trend was strong. Now it is trend is moderately weak. So sellers are still having the strength. That was my view. And this was the opening. It opened inside the previous day value area, and the value area closing was overlapping towards the lower side. So our long-term activity record holds true because sellers are still having the strength. And IB, you can see it is around 98. So it is a medium IB. So normally when there is a medium IB, it should be a normal variation day. And when market open inside the value area, it should be a non-trend day or a neutral kind of a day. So it behaved the similar way. It was somewhat kind of a neutral or a non-trend kind of a day because it opened, uh, tested the previous day opening and it came down and it closed on the downward side. So coming to how any trade can be taken normally in this kind of a market, it is better to avoid the trade because we are having a view that trend is moderately weak as well as anyway if we trade it should be a bearish trade and so we are having a concept of a normal day or a neutral day as it opened inside the previous day value area. When the IB was medium, so it will be a normal variation kind of a day or a neutral day. So as the opening range and medium IB indicated that it will be a normal or a neutral day. So it is better not to trade. Even if we want to trade, trade in a bearish manner. So here you can see I've marked the area value. These highlighted areas are the two balancing area means previous some region where the maximum trade has occurred. And this red line is a previous day POC, and this is a hourly POC which I've marked in a previous kind of a range where market was balanced. So exactly those area it has respected. So in the previous day value area it has rejected POC, it has rejected, and there was a good buying volume, but this buying volume was entirely absorbed. And in the second candle, there was a selling volume, you can see, and market tried towards coming to the POC, but all the area it has been rejected. So much of an absorption is occurring over there, and once there was a we need to expect for a kind of a delta, then we can trade. So somewhere around here we can see after that absorption, one good delta formation was there. It's around minus. So that area we have to see, and from there we can take a trade and with the stop loss above that value. So this was a day type. I told it was a medium IB, so normal variation or a neutral day. So mindset today also I did not take a trade because I was busy with my work and setup also while saying it was somewhat kind of a normal day. So I didn't take a risk to take a trade. So that's it for today. Thank you.